Morning, guys. Today's vlog is starting out late, guys. It's midday, it's after 11. So, this morning I got up, did some research, did some editing, did a bunch of stuff around the computer. So now I'm heading out. I'm going to I forget I'm supposed to attack JAMAICAN. So I go down to, hold on 1 second, guys. This is our gas company corner. Alright, guys, so that was the Atlanta Gas and Light. I'm speaking with a representative over there to get our meters put in. So I can give you a little bit about that. So what happened is, because it's a newly built construction over there by the Peppaz project, a gas station was just built less than a year ago, right? So there's no gas meters for each suite. The reason why they don't have any meters because they don't know what kind of business is gonna come into that space, right? You have different size gas meters. The gas company has to size that meter to the equipment that we're gonna have inside that restaurant, right? So I reached out to them, and that's the representative that comes out and take a look and get all that information in order to determine the size meter that we're gonna need, right? So I'll have to send him the spec sheets on the equipment in terms of the BTUs that we're gonna use. Each equipment uses a certain amount of gas, a maximum amount of gas, or BTUs they call it. I don't remember what the the abbreviation, what it is, but it's called BTUs, right? Some people, you could go Google it. Anyhow, that's the amount of gas it uses, right? So he needs that for the total of all the equipment we're gonna use, and then I guess they're gonna add it up and see the size meter that we have to run, right? Also, we'll have to run. He was coming to tell me that there's no lines going up over into the suite, which we understand that. So our plumbers are gonna put those lines in a few weeks, maybe by the end of next week. So once he gets that done, we could get an inspector inspect it, and then the gas company will come out and connect everything. So they're responsible for putting in the meters, and we're responsible for putting in the lines from the meter to our equipment inside the suite. So that's how that process works. So just a little update on Peppaz project. I got that call, so I said let me explain to you guys where we're at with as far as the gas. The Peppaz project is a lot, guys. It's gonna be a lot of back and forth with different agencies. The gas company, we already sorted out the light company. I'm going to the county now to deal with the HVAC question that they had. In the previous video I spoke about it, where I sent in they had emailed us asking for a HVAC plan. HVAC is the air condition. Now the reason why we don't have that drawn on the plan is because it's already existing. There's AC there already. We're not adding anything, we're not changing anything, we're not moving anything. It's a complete system that was installed when the gas station was getting built. So they would have gotten permit to put that in, and it's there now. So my architect had put on our plans that we're not going to touch it. It's existing, it's there, we're not changing anything, right? So I don't know if the county did not see that, so that's the reason why they put it there. But they pretty much sent us an email right here saying that there's no plans for that. So I had emailed them back with an answer to their question, but I haven't gotten a response to all of this yet. So I called twice and left a message over there. I didn't get a reply, an answer. So I'm gonna head over there and see if I could speak to someone. Maybe he called and I missed the call or something, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna head over there and I'm gonna head over there and see if I could speak to the person who's reviewing the plan. So that's where we're at with the Peppaz project. I'm supposed to meet with the plumbers. They're about to start doing the gas lines, so I'm gonna meet with him today sometime today to discuss that, discuss the gas lines. And I'm also dealing with Atlanta Gas and Light on their side of it, as far as the meter side. So let's see where where we're heading from here. I'm gonna head over to the county and then see what they say, and then once they're, I'll let you know what they say once I leave. So stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. I know I want to try talk Jamaican, but that part of it I can't talk Jamaican, because if I talk Jamaican, I'm not gonna understand what me I say. So that part of explaining what's going on with the county, I have to talk proper so you could understand. So yeah, stay tuned. I head over to the county and then we see what go on from there. Alright guys, so we're back at the Peppaz project. The guys just left here. It's loud in here, they're working, they're banging hammers and doing all sorts of stuff, so you know it's hard to film while they're working, you know, and most of them I don't want to get their faces on there. So this is what's going on right here. So we got the bathroom plumbed in, roughed in. If you notice, that's that pipe that's going up in the ear. That's pretty much the vent tube that's gonna go up there, right? And then we also have our plumbing, which is our drain, hot and cold, for the sink right there. Yeah, they got those run. They got our drainage, clean out, toilet drain over there, toilet pipe over there. So pretty much they're on a roll. They're getting stuff done, you know. This right here is our drain tube for the floor drain. That's a clean out. So they run the pipe all the way down. This is gonna be our that's our hand wash sink right here. Then this one that's coming up, that's gonna be the air vent that's gonna go up all the way to the ceiling. So over here now, we're gonna have this is our floor sink right there, or floor sink right here. That right there is for those copper pipe is for this is gonna be for our mop sink. So that's the mop sink drain right there, and then it's gonna go right here. This is the water lines right there. This is also our water lines. That's the vent tube right there for those. So each drain has to have a vent tube. So if you notice, they have a vent tube in here, goes up there. So that's gonna go up to the ceiling. That's gonna go up to the ceiling. So I'm thinking we're going to have to put another wall, frame in another wall right here. I'm assuming, because if you notice, they brought the vent tube right there. So behind here, we're gonna frame another wall. I'm assuming that's what they're gonna do. So yeah. this whole wall we're gonna have to frame in to cover those vent tubes, you know. So yeah, pretty much that's what's going on right there. So they got all the plumbing is almost done. The floor drain is not in yet. They're gonna finish plumbing those in. This right here is another hand wash sink. If you notice, it went up all the way. They connected those pipes already. So they got the hot and cold water running over here to there already, and it went up to the ceiling. So if you notice, they got it cold and hot. So this side is the hot side, that side is the cold side. They ran it all the way up in the ceiling, and it goes over to where the main is at. They also got the pipes over there. So that's what they're gonna do. They're gonna bring the main water line right there. I guess they're gonna put the hot water somewhere over here, either here or there. The hot water seeders are gonna go. So I'm gonna get those so they could run those in afterwards. So see, they got the water lines up in the ceiling. They ran them over already. See, they connected it into that main right there. So they got the one cold right there, and then they have another one came down here. So for this bathroom, yeah, so it's looking good so far, guys. As I said, they did the toilet. They got the toilet in, and they got the sink in. Yeah. They just gotta roughen the walls when they're done. Alright, so that is it, guys. We're under construction. He already brought the pipes. These pipes right here is the pipes that they're gonna run on the ceiling. So this is the gas lines, guys. These black pipes, that's the gas lines. The gas lines, they run them all the way over from the end of the building, where the gas line comes in, and it's gonna run on the ceiling, come all the way over here, and it's gonna come down somewhere right here, because this hood system is gonna go right here. So these lines are the gas lines that comes all the way over to feed the equipment with gas. So all that right there is for that. But pretty much they're cracking along, you know. They pretty much getting it done, you know what I'm saying. As I said, all the drainages are in, the drain pipes are in, you know, all the toilet and all that are in. So we're gonna see. I just don't know why they would put this drain pipe this far out though. I was thinking they're gonna bring it back into, you know, that drainage. Oh, I see one air vent up there. They're probably gonna tie it into that air vent. So we'll see. I'm gonna ask them about this. Yeah. Because then if we do this, if they got the drain pipe all the way over here, the air vent pipe over here, we can't bring a wall all the way here because the toilet is right there. So I don't know why they would bring it this far forward. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask Jose. Yeah. Because it's like this vent pipe would be in the middle of the bathroom, freestanding. If you notice, it's in the middle of the way. So yeah, I'm gonna get with them on that and figure out why they did that. But so far, you know, they're getting everything done, you know. Or they actually put the vent pipe up there already in the ceiling. They run one, they cut the ceiling, already and put it up there. Yeah. Apparently they're gonna run all the vent tubes, all these vent tubes right here, guys. They're gonna actually run all these vent tubes up in the ceiling, and then they're gonna go out right there towards the front of the building. See, there's a pipe right there. I guess they're gonna attach it to that pipe. They put that in. So yeah. So it's coming along, guys. It's coming along. Those floor sinks, we could like mop. We could push water, like wash the kitchen out, and it drains into those floor sinks, or this floor drain. There's a floor drain gonna be right here in the floor. So we got a floor drain right there. There's another hand sink right here that's gonna go right here. And there's another floor drain over here as well. So we'll have 2 floor drains in this space right here. Yeah. So yeah. So we'll have one there and one over there. So if we wash our kitchen out, let's say we wash our kitchen out, we could just wash it out and sweep all the water into that floor drain. It goes into that floor drain. Or we could use that floor drain or the floor sinks. So wherever we are, we could just wash it and push all the water to that. And then all these pipes right here, they go directly to the to the grease trap. If you notice, it's going all the way out. They actually run that pipe all the way. It's going to go on the outside. So they're gonna start digging on the outside next. They're actually gonna start digging on the outside next to put the grease trap in. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I ain't got nothing else to show you guys, but they working. They got it's a big improvement from when they started, a couple of days ago. It's been probably about a week now they're working on here. So it's a lot of work they have done. They're almost finished with here pretty much as far as the plumbing. Once we get inspected, then they're gonna come out and cover these holes and cement it, re-cement it. So it looks like this again. So once they do all the plumbing, then they come out and inspect. So give me a minute, guys. I'm here. I'm waiting on the plumber. I'm supposed to meet up with the boss man, and then we can go from there. So this is the bathroom right here. If you notice, that's just the toilet that's existing. That's the sink that's existing, and then they're gonna put another. It's gonna be a twin. Not twin, but identical on this side. Yeah. So, but yeah, that is it. That is it right there. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We working. Let's see what's next. What they're gonna do next. Plumber told me that he's gonna do this section next. So let's see. All right, guys. So we're trying to find a bench. bench for the salon. See how they got this one right here? Trying to find a bench but black. We have some benches in the hallways over there, but we need more, pretty much. Some more to that. Something in